Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, now in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called the Comfort Food Challenge, and that's hosted by Southern Country Living. So I decided to make some meatloaf and mashed potato. Now there's many different versions, but this version is the one that we eat in our home. Now what I'm doing here is I'm adding salt and pepper and then the seasonings that we normally use in our home. So you make sure and use the seasonings that you guys are comfortable with according to the recipe that you make. This is how I do it in my house. I'm going to be listing my recipe in the description box below. So after the seasoning, normally what I do is go ahead and add the breadcrumbs, and then we're going to go ahead and add some eggs. I start mixing all of that around, and I did let that sit for a couple of minutes, and then I went and got a pan and got some parchment paper, and that's what you see me doing here. We are going to go ahead and start molding this. Now sometimes around this point, some people usually will put some ketchup along the top or some kind of sauce. I am using a specific sauce that doesn't really have sugar in it, so that's what I'm placing on top of mine. But remember, you adjust your recipe how your family likes it. Now here we're almost ready to put this right into the oven at 350 degrees. Now you can also put Parmesan cheese. I'm going to go ahead and put it on this one. I don't normally put it, but today I decided to use it. Okay, now what we're doing is we're cubing up the potatoes so that we can put them to boil in water. And I usually make the mashed potatoes in my house with the skin. But of course, obviously that's optional. You can remove the skin. And in the water, I will put a dash of salt. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and stir these potatoes around a bit and get the strainer. Now it's time to drop those potatoes into that strainer. Let that cool off a little bit, so you be careful. You don't want to get burned. And then we're going to start preparing this. So now we're going to put these potatoes in the bowl, and then we're going to add the heavy cream. We are going to salt and pepper this to taste. And yeah, this looks delicious. Here we're going to add some butter because we want this to be rich. So I did add heavy cream, and now we're adding some butter. This gives it steps it up a notch in taste. So these mashed potatoes look so delicious. Meatloaf is out of the oven, smelling absolutely delicious. Now it's time to slice that up, and we are getting ready to start serving. I do want to take a moment and thank the host for this collaboration. So here I am serving. This smells absolutely delicious. And yes, this is a large size because I'm serving my son's plate. Go ahead and move the pan out of the way, and this looks absolutely delicious. Look at this. It looks so yummy. This is definitely a comfort food. And yes, I just had to add more butter. You can't go wrong with butter. So I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.